are going to learn about our heart. Our heart is the most important organ in our body. Our heart continuously keeps working without stopping. In fact, the heart is the only muscle which never tires. Throughout our life, our heart pumps oxygenated blood and nutrients to our entire body. The size of our heart is about the size of our fist. Our heart is located between the lungs, slightly tilted towards the left. Our heart is covered with a double-layered sac called the pericardium. The pericardium helps the heart to stay in one place and prevents it from overfilling. Our heart is made with a special type of fiber called cardiac muscle fibers. Now let's look inside the heart. Just like a tennis net divides the tennis court into two parts, our heart is divided into two parts by a line called the cardiac septum. The two parts are called the left side and the right side. Now, the deoxygenated blood is stored in the right side and the oxygenated blood is stored in the left. Now, the sides of the heart are further divided into two parts called the atria and the ventricles. Let's first study atrium. Just like many different letters from different places come to a post box, the atrium collects blood from different parts of the body, hence they are receiving chambers. The atrium has a very thin wall because they do not need a lot of pressure to just pump the blood down to the ventricles right below them. Now, like the mailman collects the letters and delivers it to the right place, just like that, the ventricles pump blood to different parts of the body. Hence, they are called discharging chambers. But unlike the atria, the ventricles have a very thick wall because more muscle tissue is required to pump the blood outside of the heart and to the entire body. But the right ventricle's wall is thinner than the left ventricle's because the right ventricle only pumps blood to the lungs while the left pumps it to the entire body. Now let's understand the heart's working. Now, I want to ask you a question. Can we survive without our heart? Can you survive without oxygen? No, you can't. Which organ is responsible for giving oxygen to every part of your body? The heart. The heart always pumps blood to the body, giving every cell oxygen and nutrients and removing carbon dioxide and wastes from them. This cycle of giving nutrients and oxygen and removing waste and carbon is called circulation.